Greetings, it's your boy Bio Chef here, and we at it again, bringing on yet another river excursion, flavorful later. Stay tuned and stick into the motion pictures. Outside. Yeah, we're looking proper this Juma, firelight, it's time for flavor to ignite.
Come on, man.
Two whole one in there. Worries in the dance.
Roast and fry, roast and fry.
So right now we're going to put the breadfruit to roast. Open fire to induce more flavor. Proper thing. You can make sure the fire steaming. That is cabbage. This is cabbage. Some kind of hard thing, plastic they sell in the supermarket. That is cabbage. Light and crunchy. Lemon. They marinate that still, and then we'll put it in the pot.
Natural.
Breadfruit almost ready, right? Black like tar, but really and truly is the melanin we're looking at there. Up, we up. Real good food, ground food, healing.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. You good, bro?
Wow. That's incredible.
You love it?
I love it.
Just handle.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jen.
Local coconut water.
Ah. The best coconut water I've had here by far.
Cheers.
We should do a.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Ready? That is way good. Like ridiculously good.
We have some local beers, Star, and local carb. This is our local rum punch. Proper thing.
What are these little bushes?
I think it's a family to the bamboo.
Ah. Now, so far, my very most delicious meal of Grenadian food I've had, Joel cooked.
Joel? Joel?
Joel.
Joel?
Joel?
Joel? Joel, so is that chef to Joel?
That's right. I do the cooking for them too. I do the cooking.
Boy? Big up Joel?
I can only
One Joel? Never two?
Yeah, I've been cooking for quite a while in the industry too, and I've witnessed quite a lot of things
Yeah?
that make me say, you know what? I think that's the road to go in. Strictly plants.
Did you go to a chicken nugget factory?
No, never did.
You should, because you would for sure be a vegan. So what made you decide to be a chef?
Survival.
Yeah?
Yeah. I really wanted to be a pilot.
Ah.
Yeah. But
Did you have shitty eyes?
It was expensive. Not anymore. If I did, I tell. But
It is expensive.
yeah, it was an expensive venture at the moment. You know.
And I bet, especially here.
Yeah. So I try one thing, but I think it's divine alignment too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why is
because
that?
I tried to do something else before cooking, but it didn't pan out.
Yeah?
So I had to choose something else.
Yeah.
And I go into cooking and
And there you go.
yeah, it was one more spot left for the class.
Really?
Yeah, and I
Here?
got it. Yeah, here. So I give thanks for that, you know.
Yeah.
Divine alignment, man.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing to cook?
That's a tough question to ask a chef.
It is
Yeah, a really tough question to ask a chef, you know. My most favorite thing to cook is good food. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good food, good food. And right now we're cooking
Well,
up.
you're very lucky to be doing it here because you have such incredible spices. What's your favorite spice to cook with?
To be quite honest, I have a favorite one, you know, because
You like them all?
each dish, a lot of times that I prepare require different flavor profile. So I like to work with what's best for the dish.
What about as a vegan, do you use a lot of butter?
Butter?
You can't
no.
use butter, right?
No.
So what do you use for fat?
So it have a ghee, a vegetable ghee
Uh-huh.
that we normally
that
use. Yeah.
vegan?
It have the animal one. Yeah, and there's a plant one as well. Yeah. And I mean, if you don't want to go as strict,
Yeah.
for me personally, I don't really use butter. You know,
You do or don't?
I don't really use butter.
Never.
Yeah,
Ever.
I more there on the strict vibes.
Yeah.
You know, fully ital. You know, one way. But in cooking for people, certain people,
Sometimes you have to.
yeah, you know, so I might more refer them to the ghee, the natural one, or I could make my own plant-based butter too. So you're using like walnuts, almonds, cashews, you know, and just do the right process. Can give her the secret, you know. But I try to make my oil too. We have this oil here,
Yeah.
coconut oil that we do.
Yeah.
Flavor is immaculate.
Fire.
Yeah, proper. So that day is for food, for hair, for skin, teeth, everything. Sap your joints.
It's wonderful.
Yeah man. So it's just to utilize the plant and the herbs in the fullness.
Are you Rastafarian?
So not to the fullest extent, you know, I'm still learning
Yeah.
about it. But all in all, the spiritual journey is the main part of it.
Yeah.
You know, to find that connection with the higher self. Hence the reason why eating plant-based, eating
Right.
clean.
Right.
Not just plant-based, but eating clean. Yeah. Can help one's balance itself, you know, and function. That's what it means. I'm sure Rastafari now, that man see it as the doorway to that path of life. Like that was the closest thing for me that I see man should live like. You know how the Rastas live. The main thing for the Rasta is what? I go give you guys a question.
The main thing for the Rasta?
Yeah. What is the heart of Rasta?
The heart of Rasta.
Yeah. The whole concept, the whole
One love.
unity. Huh?
One love?
Alright, so they know the vibration and that is it. Love.
Love, yeah.
That's right.
It's just
At the center
all
of it, you know?
acceptance,
Yeah
right?
man. Love yourself, love everybody, love life.
Yeah.
Create a balance. You know, love animals, plants, everything. In its oneness. I mean, not everybody called to be vegan still too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, some people have to eat the meat, but not the synthetic meat,
Ah.
you know?
Yeah.
Not the lab meat,
Yeah.
but the meat that,
Like wild meat.
yeah, come and get some crayfish,
Yeah.
you know?
It's hard to do everything natural though.
Right now, it's tough. Yeah, it's tough. You got to buy a piece of land and rock back. You guys, man, you know, there's no substitute to me.
This happened today?
Yeah, this morning. the food go taste good.
It's gonna be real.
Yeah, proper, you know?
Proper.
Beat the odds.
Yes.
Yeah, man, that is it.
You should go all the way in, girl.
Then losing a lot more flavor into it. You see the charness? Caramelizing the sugars in the food they know. You know? The simple sugars they know, the monosaccharides and disaccharides if you want to go down into it deeper and bring out the flavor. So you get the flavor of the pumpkin, the sweetness of the Christophine, the onions again, sweet.
Yeah.
And then the cabbage coming in. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And then the smoke bringing the flavor.
I love it.
Watch that breadfruit sweet.
Hey.
That breadfruit sweet. Prime man picked that breadfruit yesterday.
I want you to go through the whole thing with me.
So that's a roast breadfruit. Yeah?
Say it loud.
Roast breadfruit,
Okay.
Christophine pumpkin cabbage stew,
Okay.
and grilled snapper, roast snapper on the open fire. I'm saying snapper.
It is snapper?
Roasted
Covali.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is lemon.
Yes, I say squeeze it over the fish and you go in.
Look at that. Look at that juice come out of that lemon.
Your opinion? how
Your
it tastes?
opinion, my opinion?
Yes, sir.
You know I will.
Cook on the fish, everything.
The flavor of the fish shines
Proper.
proper.
Not fresh. but
Way
flavor.
better than fresh.
Like the age of the breadfruit.
Is this young? Old?
No, full. Properly
Is it
mature.
full?
Yeah,
How
properly.
old?
Pumpkin?
This is a good age.
Pumpkin, Christophine, and cabbage. How it is? Good stuff.
Pumpkin seed.
Yeah, man. Good stuff.
Christophine is like kind of like a
Proper thing.
Yeah, proper things.
See that again?
Christophine.
That's how you cooking it.
That's better. Not necessarily the flavor. It's so little. It's better when you squeeze it. Oh, that's fucking good. Okay.
Tastes good, eh? Refreshing, man. Flavor.
I'll give it back to you because I shouldn't drink all that, but damn.
You see what they did? You guys are weird. I use that back to put my breadfruit. No, no. Oh, yeah. Red, man. But it's good thing man militant too, eh? True. That's all I comfort on the steam, eh?
Tell them how we're doing it.
I'm right, huh, Joel?
Wet. Wet. At the frog.
I just jump in on it, but sometimes when I jump in, you're done.
I don't think I like it.
I say, what? Like the boss just keep on going.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, definitely.
Outstanding. Everyone should do this. Everyone.
For real.
For real.